Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys step by step how I made this reversible satin bonnet. So if you're interested, keep watching the video and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, I'll be making use of these two beautiful satin fabric, this green satin fabric and the red satin fabric, and I also have two different matching threads and my scissors, my elastic band. It's actually a bigger elastic band I'll be making use of, and then I have my safety pin, my office pin that I'll be making use of in this project, and also my tape that I'll be marking the measurement. So let's get right into this video. So guys, I actually have a satin fabric that is actually measured 27 inches long. The length is 27 inches, okay, so as you can see, and then the width is also 27 inches, 27 inches by 27 inches. The width is also measured 27 inches, so you see. So I've gone ahead to fold my satin into two. I folded it into two, as you can see. And then you see for the midpoint, the length was not enough, so I had to join it in the middle to get the length and the width I actually need. So I will still be folding again into two, making it to be 4. I folded the first time into 2 and I'm still folding again into 4, and then I'll be taking a circle of about 13 inches. So guys, I actually lost the clip where I was like drawing out the line, but what I basically did was that I folded it into 4 and I marked it down with my chalk. I actually placed it from this pointed edge, my tape from that pointed edge, and then I marked 13 inches round. So I just mark it down with a chalk to get a round circle. So that's basically what I did in that clip, okay? So I'm just confirming the 13 inches so that you guys will all see. So I will just take my scissors and then cut off everything now. So guys, this is just basically the drafting and the cutting of this circle. It's as simple as that. So I'll use this as a template to cut the second piece. So the right sides of this satin are actually facing each other, and then I will go ahead and pin down everything. I will use my office pins to pin it around. So guys, after pinning down everything, I'll just go ahead and cut off the excess. I'll go ahead and cut off this excess fabric that I have at the edge. So I'm actually done cutting off the excess at the edge, okay? So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll take this to my sewing machine and sew about half an inch round. I'll be sewing about half an inch round, and then I'll be leaving about 2 inches space to be able to turn this inside out. So I'm actually done sewing about half an inch round. You see, I'm done sewing about half an inch, and then I left the 2 inches space to be able to turn everything inside out. So I'll just go ahead and turn everything inside out now. So guys, I'm actually done turning it inside out, so I'll just take it and neatly iron everything down. So guys, I'm done ironing. As you can see, everything is now flat. So you see, and then you see the other side, this open space, I also folded it in and neatly ironed it. So you see this other side as well. So the next thing I'll be doing is to be inserting this elastic band inside the bonnet. But before I do that, I'll be creating a space for the bonnet to be able to pass through. Okay, so I'll confirm the width, how wide I want the space to be. I'll just measure it and then place it on the bonnet and mark it round. I'll mark it round, so I'm just marking it there. So the one I'm working with is about 1 inch, but if you are working on an elastic band that is smaller, you can actually create a smaller space for it. So I'm just marking the 1 inch round. So guys, I'm done doing that. I'll just take it to my sewing machine and just stitch it down. So I'm done stitching it down. So what I did was that I fixed a thread that matches with the down satin and then the red one at the upper side. So I'll be fixing the elastic band inside the bonnet now, and I've measured the size of my head, which is 21 inches. Okay, the round circumference of my head is 21 inches, so I'll be deducting 3 inches from it because I don't want it to be too loose on my head and too tight. So 3 inches is actually okay for me. So I'm just confirming it. Then if I use exactly 21 inches, it will actually be too loose on my head. Okay, so the next thing I will do is to use my safety pin and then hold the elastic band before fixing it inside the bonnet. So I'll just carefully take it in. So for this other end, I'll also be holding it down with this safety pin so it won't escape inside the bonnet when I'm stretching it. So I'll just go ahead and continue taking it in to take it out to the other side. So guys, I'm done doing that. I'm done. So I'll just go ahead and remove the 2 safety pins and then I'll take it to my sewing machine and stitch it with multiple stitches. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. So I'll just allow the elastic to go inside the bonnet and then carefully tuck in these 2 inches that I left to turn it inside out. So I'll just carefully tuck in everything inside and then take it to my sewing machine to stitch it down. I'll take it to my sewing machine to sew it. So I'm done sewing it. As you can see, everything is well and neat as well. The reversible satin bonnet is now ready. As you can see, everything is okay now. See how beautiful everything is. So you see how this red side really looks. It's really shiny and beautiful. And also the green side as well. I absolutely love each and every of the sides. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, and also share it to anyone you know the video will be of help to. And please subscribe if you haven't done so, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.